Hello again, right, I'm going to spam you with YouTube videos. Back in garage, it's late at night, can't be loud. I'm going to try and fully weld the exhaust I did in the last video. So, bit of a setup here. I do have a fold down welding table over there, which I should be using, but there's stuff in the way. So I've got a cabinet on wheels, this is my chair, some supplies, TIG welder, hopefully enough gas. So I'm just going to, I've gone over this with a bit of a wide brush. Just to clarify, once it's all done, I am going to maybe wide brush it, because I've got old stainless, new stainless that's polished, standard stainless, rusty stainless. So I am going to make it look all nice and neat and try and make it all match. So if it's all brushed, it should look similar. And then over time, that's going to discolour and that's going to discolour the same as that over time. Yeah, and then so I'm going to give it another clean. I've already cleaned it once. Clean it again. Give it a clean with some acetone, and then try and weld it. I've got some welding rods there, some filler rods. I've also got some 1mm filler rods, which are tiny. Do it that way. I think these are going to be too small, but give it a go, see what kind of results I get, different size filler rod. But I might set up the camera and then do like a time-lapse video, no talking, just do some welding. And at the end of it, I'll show you some amazing welds, he says sarcastically. Right, let's crack on. Hey everyone, right, another video on the Insignia exhaust. Got the car jacked back up. If you've watched or not watched the other videos, done the DPF, which is about there, done the mid pipe, we'll call it, that's done. Done the mount, the V-band's there, and now I'm going to get on with this centre section. So it's about 1200mm. Then it comes to a 45, and then it's going to come to the side of the car. So if I just show you what I've done. Oops, sorry. Okay, so DPF, we've got a 3-inch stainless, so V-band there, there's a flexor section, it comes along, and then another V-band there, and I've got it all, I've reused the original mount. So it's just going to be a straight pipe along this tunnel, and it's going to get to the fuel tank, and then it's going to go, and then it's going to turn there, so it's like a 45-degree bend there, and it's going to come across here, and then I'm going to have to weld on some tabs, I think, and then there's going to be another V-band here, and then it's going to stop, and that'll be that'll be this video. And then in the future I'm going to do a letterbox style exhaust tip that comes near the sill, and then the idea is that the V-band is quick release exhaust tip, so I can get to the jacking point. That's the plan. So I'm going to go away, I'm going to cut some metal, measure it all up, test fit it, and then I'll show you how it looks. Right then, so filming this video has been a bit of a disaster, but anyway, I'll show you what I've done, and then I'll keep the video short and sweet, I think. Okay, so this is the pipe, just tacked together. V-band on there, straight pipe, going to a bend. I've got a little mount on there, a little bracket for the rubber, and then that comes out under the sill. Bit of a disaster here. So the lesson there is, see gap there. So I bought a U-section 3-inch stainless U pipe, and I won't buy it from that shop again because they've actually crushed it. It's not a nice bend, so I should have bought proper bends really. So I'll learn for next time. Anyway, that's the exhaust, and I'll show you me. This is a bracket I've made. It's not fully finished, it needs a bit more weld on it, but this just screws to the bottom of the car. And then I've just got some actually quite nice welds on that, I think, quite happy with those. And then this, just I've got a rubber mount that fastens onto there. So we'll get the exhaust fitted, and even though it's not fully welded, I'll turn it on and see how it sounds. That's the, oh, you can't really see it because it's sun. Put it that way. That's the exhaust mounted. Underneath the car, I'll go behind the car. So that's the exhaust. There we go. The bracket, the mount. So it's only supported at the V-band right down there, and that one mount there, which maybe I should put another mount up here, but it is actually really sturdy. There's just enough flex in it. Just enough flex in it. It's not catch or no, it's not banging. So I just need to spend a couple of hours fully welding it, but I've run out of gas anyway, so I'm going to do that in the next video. What I'll do now is I'll put the camera on tripod and we'll fire it up and we'll see how it sounds with all these holes in it. But yeah, let's fire it up.